What's up guys, this is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research and you're wondering how to make money online directly into your bank account. So in this video we're going to dive deep into this topic and we're going to actually look at the way how to earn money online to your bank account without any other tools like PayPal or anything like that, directly straight to your bank account. So before we dive into this topic, you've probably noticed that I'm in front of my YouTube channel, Undisputed Marketer. So if you're not a subscriber yet, I highly encourage you to click the red subscribe button down there and you will get notified whenever I post a new video regarding online business, affiliate marketing, and how to leverage the power of the internet. So without further ado, let's dive into our today's topic. And today's topic is literally how to make money online straight to your bank account. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to talk about one specific way how to make money online where you can actually send your money straight to your bank account, and this is called affiliate marketing. Now, what exactly is affiliate marketing? How does it work? Why you should bother? Now, affiliate marketing in a nutshell is very simple, and it's basically selling other people's products for a percentage or a commission. Now the commission is basically a percentage from the selling price, and it can range from depending on what kind of a product you are selling. It can range from 10 to 50 to 70 and even sometimes even 100% of the selling price. Now it obviously depends on the price point of the product and what kind of a provider or what kind of product owner it is, but genuinely it is when you go into the digital products, it is around 50 to 75% commissions. If you go for physical products like for example Amazon affiliate marketing affiliate program, then it's around 10 to 15%, 7 to 15 usually on Amazon. Now for the purposes of the video, as we want our money straight to our bank account and obviously as much as we can, we're going to talk about digital products. Now for the digital products, there are different affiliate marketplaces that you could possibly go for. There are different ways that you can go for. There is an affiliate marketplace called ClickBank, which is one of the biggest, if not the biggest affiliate marketplace on the market. They have a huge number of products, huge number of categories, niches that you could possibly go for and promote and sell those products. Then there is also JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore 24. I'm not going to go into all of them because we want to focus on one specific one that is going to get our money straight to the bank account. That's why we're going to talk about ClickBank and ClickBank only. Now, what exactly is ClickBank? Why is it so important to know about ClickBank? Why is it so powerful? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm just going to head over to the ClickBank homepage, and we're going to have a look at what exactly is ClickBank. Now, ClickBank, this is the homepage of the affiliate marketplace. ClickBank, as it says, is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. Now, they do have lots and lots of products. Now, creating an account with ClickBank is super easy. It's completely free. You don't have to get or give any sort of credit card details to them. It's literally just putting your name, email address and some kind of details. Let me just check exactly. So just basically an email, country. Yeah, you need to choose a country. They have a list of probably, I don't know, maybe 140 countries. Your first name, last name, phone number, I'm not sure if it is even necessary, and an email address. Okay, it is required. So yes, so it's just your phone number, email address and your password, and that's basically it. You don't need anything like a credit card or anything, so it's completely free. You are good to go. So I'm just going to log into my account and I'm going to show you how it looks like from the inside. Now, before we get involved into ClickBank and affiliate marketing with ClickBank, I'm just going to give you some more details about affiliate marketing as a concept, as a business model. So we already spoke about affiliate marketing, that it is basically promoting and selling other people's products for a commission, and basically, when you think about this, clickbank, or sorry, affiliate marketing is a business model that is very, very vital, very cost effective for both sides, right? So when there is a business that has, any business at all, when you think about this, they have two different departments. When we divide it into two main ones, we have the pre-sale version or pre-sale department, and the front end part, and then we have the back end part, which is the after sale services, delivering the goods, handling of the goods, shipping, and all of that stuff, refunds and all of that customer service. Now the front end part is basically purely selling, right? So you make the sale and that's it. So, and this is exactly divided with affiliate marketing. So front end part is done by a group of people who are called affiliate marketers. That's what you are going to be. And then there are the back end part, which is controlled by the product owners, and they are literally focusing 100% on making the customer service 100% great, make the customer satisfied to the most possible way. So this is very, very effective because, first of all, product owners can fully focus on creating the product as good as it possibly can be. They can focus on providing the value to the customer, providing the customer service. They can literally be of hold to these customers. And on the other hand, they don't have to worry about sales because they are done by affiliate marketers. Now affiliate marketers have, on the other hand, again, a very, very huge advantage, which is they have purely focusing on selling the products. They don't have to worry about delivering the goods, handling of the goods, and all of that stuff, customer service, which is sometimes is most of the time is very, very time demanding and energy demanding. Now when you think about this, you as an affiliate marketer, you are focusing on purely for selling. And this is just beautiful because you can most of the processes that would take you most of the hours throughout your daily routine, you can automate them with softwares that are working for you like a 24/7 employees, even though you are on a vacation, even though you are outside with your family, with your friends, or whatever else you are doing, or sleeping, they are still working for you and making those sales for you. So this is just literally in a nutshell what affiliate marketing is. What can affiliate marketing do for you? And let me just quickly show you exactly how you can get your payments straight to your bank account. So I'm just going to head over to my account settings. Here you have different ways, and here is basically your payment information. And everything what you need to do is over here just click on the payment method, which is direct deposit, and over here you have direct deposit information. So you just put your bank information, city, the bank name, your IBAN and SWIFT code, and that's basically, so it's going straight to your bank account. You can ask for payment frequency, either weekly or bi-weekly. And you can set up your payment threshold from $10, which is the lowest one, and up until 1 million, which is the biggest one. So it's up to your choice, and this is basically how ClickBank works. So guys, this is affiliate marketing. I encourage you to have a look at it if you have not even heard about this. In fact, I have created a 4-day free video series where you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing, literally from zero to knowing how to exactly make the strategies, how to actually implement the strategies that are really getting those sales, and you can literally get those sales and good relationship with your customers. So it's completely free and you get full access to it. So just go ahead and click the link in the description below. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to this. And if you are interested even after that, then there is also a chance for us to work together side by side, so I can help you 100% with your affiliate marketing. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.